May
Hindi
TV
kayo
po.
magkakaintindihan eh. Ilonggo ka.
Magkakaintindihan. Day, ano hambal nyo, karaya?
Opo.
Pero pwede ka mag-ilonggo, no?
Oo.
Wala kami ilonggo eh.
Malalim mo kung kiniraya ang salita ako.
Batang taton, no? Mga mo na.
Iyo.
Te, na-miss mo mga bata mo to? Ngayon mo ba na?
Oo, namimiss ko.
Te, istorya ha, sila ilonggo Galantaw sila subong.
Oo. Nanalo ako.
Ilonggo
Ilonggo daw, Nay.
Kung karaya
Napungaw na.
Nagdaog.
Hindi ko na marunong.
Ano po?
Hindi ko na marunong.
Hindi ka marunong.
Galantaw ka mo dyan sa akon dito Tingnan niyo ako, artista na. Kasama ko si
Artista na yun? Grabe ba?
Sila sa TV ba?
Oo nga.
Nakasimangot ka.
Hindi, artista raw. Pag kami katabi mo, hindi ka mukha artista.
Ano?
Para tayo mga witness. Tayo yung mga suspect. Ano ba, ate? Meron kaming pasalubong. Sa'yo?
Opo, salamat.
Gusto mo?
Opo.
Si
Kasi magaling mag-ilonggo yun.
Kabalo kayo ilonggo ka to? Kabalo kayo ilonggo?
Hindi man, kasi samo lang kasi. Kasi na-excited lang ako.
Santi, kaya ka na kasubsum, magaling ka na kapaan?
Ano ka ba? Hindi ko maintindihan.
Hindi ko mo sa kuya, kalumat ka. Naugma.
Kasi,
Ito ko yun?
hindi.
yun?
Ano po yun?
Yung
Hindi.
Puro ulo.
Ba't yung ilonggo mo parang English lang? Pume-fade out.
Pasalubong.
Pag nag-i-English ka, ganun din ang tunog eh.
din?
Kasi,
Oo.
ganun talaga kasi.
Oo.
Yung mga first word,
Oo.
yun lang yung kalilaan dilinawan mo.
Oo, tapos?
Kasi alam na nila yung ibig
Sa
sabihin.
sunod doon.
Kahit parang nakaham lang?
O, pas,
Oo.
Sige, sample nga.
Day, naukit ka. Okay ka.
Oo.
Oh.
Oo, ha? Sumasagot eh.
Kaya sa kakaintindihan.
Antike.
Opo.
Antike nga, sa kang roro, pagkarok-rorok, okay.
Opo.
Oh,
Yeah. English, ganun din?
ganun din, boss.
Paano sa English?
You know, when you go to
Oh, English.
Antike, of course, you ride a roro boat, right?
Yeah.
And then after you ride a
Yeah.
roro boat,
Yeah.
then you want to
Yes.
add something.
Yes. Oh, yes. Yes.
Oh, naintindihan niya rin.
Yeah, din, oh. Pati sagot niya, yeah.
Magsalita ka pa.
Galing,
Yung,
ha?
yung hindi yes ang sasagot niya. Hindi nga.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Yes pa rin talaga.
You wanna
Alam mo-
die?
No.
Alam mo kung pogi ka.
Am
Tama.
I handsome?
No. Di. Of course not.
It's not allowed, man.
Kamali na sagot.
Hinulog ka ng bossing mo.
Kamali na sagot eh.
You know, I give you something special.
You do.
I have a pasalubong for you.
You like that? You like that?
Oh, thank you.
Am I pogi?
Yes.
Oh. Pasalubong niya naman pala.
Madali lang pala kausap to eh.
Nakukuha sa lagay pala eh.
Oh.
Eto
Oh,
na,
Ibigay mo na yung suhol.
eto na ang suhol ko sa'yo.
Wow.
Ganun lang, oh.
Chillax
Huwag
lang.
ka magsalita,
Oh!
huwag ka magsalita. Oh.
Ay,
Hey!
Ayan, puti,
Hi, you like me?
Agad. Kala ko chillax lang.
Talaga eh. Maganda ang ngiti, oh.
Where are you from?
Ay, ganda, oh. Yes, imported yan.
Kausapin mo kaya, bigyan nyo ng mic yung babae. Jose, kausapin mo, baka...
Apo.
Okay.
Ako, alalayan nyo, ha? Hindi ko kasalanan pag na-inlove yan, ha?
Yan na naman kayo.
Ito na, binigyan na ng mic, ha?
Okay.
Hello.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
Hello. Fine.
Where you from?
From Germany.
Germany. Oh,
Tannenbaum,
excuse me, can I have your name, please?
Your name, wow. Ay namin. Corinna.
What?
Corinna Schmidt.
But nagmumura.
Sheep, sabi sheep. Corinna Schmidt.
Corina.
Corina.
Corina
Hi, Corina. My name is Jose.
Upstate.
What?
You was upstate.
Jose. Hi, how are you?
Fine.
How old are you?
Wow, may accent na.
Siyempre. How old are you?
How? 27.
27 years
27.
old. You have a boyfriend?
Ba't ganun masalita?
Ganun talaga, German yan.
German?
You have a boyfriend?
No.
Oh, no!
Ah, eto na yun.
Hey, you look at me. Look at me.
Where?
Just slowly.
Here. At the TV. Tanga naman. So, how would I look like?
Ano?
How would I look
Ah,
like?
you're on TV. Sorry.
Ikaw kaya gumanon. Tapos lipat mo lang ako. Am I handsome for you?
Sorry?
Nabingi na. I'm handsome? Handsome? Pogi ba to?
Handsome.
Handsome.
You. It's all right.
Me.
Sorry, you. Sorry.
Yeah.
How old are you?
Me?
How
Me?
old are you?
I'm only 18 years old.
Mamatay!
Ang bata, oh.
Tamsa
Second
akin
year
pa eh.
college.
You think you like me?
I don't know.
You should know.
You must know. This is your first time and I think this is your last time here.
That's handsome.
Ano daw?
He's handsome down.
Handsome? Thank you.
Kaya pa. Do you have a brother?
Yes.
Brother agad? Hey,
Yes, I have.
you want to be famous here in the Philippines?
Yes.
You want?
Yes.
Wally, gusto rin maging famous.
Hayaan mo siya.
Oy. Teka na. Ibang famous naman yan.
Behave.
Okay, see ya.
Enjoy!
Thank
Enjoy
you,
the
Corina.
Philippines.
Yeah, Gotten Morgan.
What's your name?
What's your name again?
Corina.
Corina. In Germany, we say Corina.
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 Yes.
Corina. Corina.
Kurimaw, ano?
But you can say Corina, it's okay.
Yeah, Corina. Yes.
Duncan.
Duncan.
Dankeschön
Nine.
und bitteschön.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Ingatan ko na to.
Wow, magandang bahay ni Virgie, ah.
Puro hagdan.
At may second floor.
Opo, pagpanik mo doon sa hagdan, may hagdan pa rin. Kasi pagpanik mo dito sa hagdan, ayan, papanik ka ng hagdan, may
Oh.
mga bata.
Oh.
Tapos meron dito.
Ano?
Ano?
Uy.
Ano? Hindi na nakapanik. Oh, Nana. What's your name? What?
Chinali.
Oh, you speak like that. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, you speak like that.
I'm from the States.
You're some kind of balikbayan.
Yes.
Where are you from?
Houston, Texas.
I'm sorry.
From Texas.
Wow.
Bakit ka nagsorry?
That's from Texas. You, how about you? You're Bulik?
No, I'm not from Cactain.
Talisain.
Talisain, yes, bossy.
Yeah.
The yellow one.
Yeah, you talk to her.
Are you, what do you do back there?
Huh?
Back there?
Yeah, what do you do there?
Well, I live here now to study, though.
You live here for study, but you born there.
No, born here.
You born here, and then you go there.
And then,
And then you back here.
Yes.
And you study here.
Yes.
galing, ah.
Kasi, isipin mo, may nag-aantay sa yung kambal.
No problem. The kambal, the twin over there. Wait. Huh?
Kambal?
Oh, there's more.
They're still alive. Say hi to Jose.
Say hi. You say hi to
Hi
me.
daw.
Yun, hi daw, sabi ng kambal.
Hey, the kambal saying hi.
Hi, kambal. Don't be jealous. He's my friend.
I'll take care of him for you. Don't worry.
Hey, the kambal wants to say something.
No, the twins want to say something.
We're not jealous, Jose.
Are you understanding? Both of you understanding?
Yes.
They understanding. The two kambal like me so much.
Wala naman sinabing ganun.
But you here,
You, me, like you, me. Okay, anyway, what's your name?
Pare, alam bang pangalan ng kambal?
Ano?
Oh.
Isa si Lobby, yung isa si Po.
Ba? Pinag-isa.
Wala ko si Casey.
Pinag-isa yung isang
Okay, you stay here and good luck for your study.
Good.
Study hard, okay?
Thank you very much.
Don't forget. Okay, thank you. Only in a chick.
Kunti na lang.
You okay, Jose?
May umaapila dito,
I'm not
bossing.
feeling well, bossing. I wanna die.
May umaapila, bossing.
I think this is the end of the world.
Wait.
Wait a minute, ha, Jose.
But wait, there's more.
What?
Dati, ako yung ginaganyan-ganyan mo na
Ayan na.
pa-bossing effect na kiss, ha? Tapos ngayon, dami-dami na.
Dami
May-
nagsiselos, oh.
Next time.
Hey, Isa, it's only my job.
Ano English?
Trabaho lang daw, trabaho
I'm
lang.
just doing my job.
Okay, hi to
Ginagawa
your
ng tamang
misis, by
trabaho.
the way.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Ano? Yeah! How does it feel, my man? How does it feel? I wanna die!
Gusto na raw niyang mamatay.
Oh, my Lord.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Go ahead daw, bossing.
Bossing later, after this portion.
Oh, after daw.
Halika rito, Virgie.
Mamaya na lang daw po.
Alam mo, ako hirap na ako sa gandang lalaki ko. Oo. Nahihirapan ako.
Ate Virgie, sino po ba yun? Kaano-ano niyo po yung mga balikbayan pong yan?
Wala ho.
Hindi.
Wala.
Nandito sa bahay niyo.
Pamangkin ng amo ko. Pamangkin ng amo ko.
So, hindi niyo po ito bahay?
Hindi. Tendera ako.
Ng ano po? Ng bahay?
Tindahan nila, ko, amo.
Ano pong tindahan po yan? Sari-sari store, grocery? Sari-sari store. Nasa baba ba?
Opo.
Eh, kayo po, saan po ang bahay ninyo?
Dito ako ayan yung higaan ko, dito sa sala.
Dito? Ang laki-laki nyo na. Ba't bine-baby pa kayo? Masyado na. Ang bait naman ng amo mo, bine-baby ka
Kuna ng
masyado.
bata yan, ah.
Sa kuna ka na. Mas bagay kasi bossing, medyo. Tama.
Baby.
Request ka naman, duyan. Para
Hey,
mabilis
Jose.
makatulog.
Jose.
Jose.
Bossing,
Whose hand is that?
I don't know. I'm relaxing.
Oh.
Lulu.
Wow.
You check whose hand is that.
How does it smell?
Yeah, it's bagoong banaya.
Sarap,
Very
sabay sa
good.
kanin.
Where you came from?
Where did you came from?
Where did you came from?
Yan, ang tama.
Yeah, where did you came from?
What did you did?
What did you did? How many monkey did you eat last night?
Ay, hindi ka.
Meron ka bang negosyo?
Magninegosyo nga sana eh.
Uy,
Para...
Anong negosyo yan?
Gusto nga, bossing, umpisahan ko yung sa soap.
Drugstore.
Hindi. Sabon.
Sabon, gawa ng laundry soap, daon yun.
Yung mga sabon, pan-laundry.
Pero kapag sinimulan mo yun, magdadrive ka pa din. O hindi na?
Siguro hindi na, kasi papagod na rin ako eh.
Pero alam ng mga amo mo yan kung sakasakaling nagplaplano ka.
Wala namang problema.
Yeah!
Yeah, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, it's no problem. It's no problem.
Yeah.
No worries.
Okay, because of that, I will give this to you. You know this one? A pink wallet.
Pink wallet. What's that? You know what's
It's,
inside of it?
It's a puhunan ni Marian.
Number 4.
Number 4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wala.
Baril nga, hindi nagulat sa baril. Sigaw pa.
Sinalubong. Wala.
Thank you. Salamat po marami. Marami po salamat.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Eh,
Thank you.
pare.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
So what your plan?
Yeah.
To have your own business.
You have your own business. How about your love life?
Your love life?
Yeah.
Wala na yun. Mami ko na lang muna.
Yun
Are we going to
ang-
give it to your mom?
Yeah.
All right. That's nice. That's good.
Opo.
Yeah.
Pero ano ha, yun nangyari sa'yo. Thanks God, it's Monday, right?
Wow.
And tomorrow? It's
Tuesday.
Lumalabas yung
Kasi
tama.
wala bumaparil ka, may tama eh.
Oh, yeah!
Ayun na.
Ate ka ko, pare!
Bawal yun.
Hindi, pero mag-ingat kayo. Mag-ingat sa lalo yung mga addict. Nako.
Salamat.
Lagi isara ang gate ng bahay.
Correct.
Oh,
At,
tama. You always take her, huh? Yeah.
Yun. Oo nga.
Ang galing mo mag-English.
Yeah, oo nga.
Cool, Marian.
Oh,
Oh.
thank you so much.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ay! Pakis daw, bossing. Pakis. Pwede ba, bossing?
Later, later.
Kikis daw siya kay Marian.
Later we'll kiss.
Later.
Later will kiss.
You kiss Paolo later.
Yung Japan, kaya ko kausapin
Ah,
niyo.
sige. Okay, okay, okay.
Marunong!
Sige nga.
Kausapin ko.
O, tanungin mo. Batiin mo.
Miss Japan, semase, semase.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun?
Konnichiwa daw.
Excuse me, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Konnichiwa daw. Good afternoon.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Ano yun? Anong pangalan? Anong pangalan?
Namay, namay.
Ano yung naman?
Namay. Halimbawa, may patay, punta kayo dun.
Hindi.
Annabelle daw. Annabelle ang pangalan.
Annabelle daw. Annabelle. Annabelle.
Annabelle.
understand me?
Annabelle Sang. Jose Sang. Jose Sang.
Eh?
Jose
Jose
Sang.
Sang.
Jose.
Jose Sang.
Paulo
Paulo
Sang.
Sang.
Paulo-san.
Wala ako pakilala.
Bakit?
Parang madumi.
Paano marumi?
Walisan. Wow, may routine.
Chacho-san.
Hagisang, hagisang.
Dapat ganyan. Ba't yung sa atin wala eh? Kasi binapractice eh.
Konnichiwa. Semasen.
Tanungin mo kung saan sa Japan.
Saan sa Japan?
Oo.
Toko.
Ano tuko?
Ano naman to? Yun lang.
Yung sa Japan, ano ba yun? Doko.
Doko, doko, doko.
Doko des, Japan eh.
Saitama.
Ay, tama.
Oh, may tama ka raw.
Ay, adik yan.
May tama ka raw.
I think we should speak in English.
Oh, English naman pwede naman daw English.
No, Nihongo desu ka?
Okay.
Nihongo de
Nihongo ne? Okay, yo.
Ona.
Anong una?
Ona, binaliktad ko lang. Ano?
Ade, ona in Japanese is babae.
Babae. Kawai. Ano?
Kawai.
Kawai.
Ano yung kawa?
Salamat po.
Kawai. Ganun. Hi, kawai.
Kawai.
Susunod, sino kakausap?
Sino yan?
Miss India,
India naman, India.
Kaya ko rin yan.
Sige, kaya mo rin yan. Patanungin mo kung anong pangalan ng India.
Inja, Inja.
India, anong pangalan?
India, ano pangalan? Miss India?
Yes.
Ano pangalan mo?
Hindi pa mo lang eh.
Letitia Patel. See, I understand you.
Marunong pala mag-English eh.
Okay, let's talk English. Miss India, is it your first time here in the Philippines?
It's the first time here.
So how is it?
It's wonderful.
How do you find the Philippines? With the map, with the plane?
Or someone guided you.
I haven't
find
seen
it?
anything negative yet.
Good,
It's
you're so
positive.
beautiful, Miss India.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Salamat
much.
po.
Enjoy staying here in the Philippines,
I will,
right?
for sure.
Good.
How about
you.
Miss Ecuador?
Here's Miss Ecuador.
I know Ecuador talking.
Oh, alam mo rin yan, alam mo rin.
Ano?
Tanungin mo kung saan siya sa Ecuador.
Miss Ecuador?
Yes?
Saan ka sa Ecuador?
Ano ba? Niloko mo na lang kami ni Paolo.
Tinagalog mo lang din eh.
Tinagalog mo lang din.
How about you? Is it your first
Wala
time
here.
here? How many times you been here in the Philippines?
What? First time?
First time.
So, would you gonna assume like it, alright?
Ano?
Ano?
sabi mo?
Sorry, I can't repeat. Be alert.
Yo hablo español muy bien.
Ano ba gusto mong tanungin?
Tanong mo, Alan, kung may boyfriend na siya.
He wants to know if you have a boyfriend.
¿Novio? No.
Nobyo.
Novio.
Novio.
No novio.
Also,
No
my
novio.
friend here, no boyfriend.
He can show me Philippines.
Oh, Paolo, be a good tourist guide.
Oh, sige.
See?
Basta parehas tayong naka-gown.
Yeah.
In
Congratulations.
English.
Congratulations, lady.
What?
It's raining there, raining.
No está lloviendo.
No, viendo.
It's the rain day.
Here, labas na, viendo la
Espanyol yan.
Español.
En español.
Habla
Yo
español.
hablo mucho español. ¿Qué tú quieres que yo te diga?
No, que ako na pa ikaw, sasabihin ko.
Ano daw?
¿Por qué?
Hindi ko rin. Basta.
Ayan na.
Umulan na.
Ayan na si Glenda. Parating na si Glenda.
Español. Kami dito na ligo ni shower.
Muchas gracias.
It's raining a lot. or no?
Muchos gracias.
Gracias.
Hirap.
Thank you.
Okay.
De nada.
Calvo.
Granada, ba't may granada, bossing?
Así,
Calvo.
así.
Kalbo daw.
And wait for your date.
Uy, kalbo,
To the
date
guy.
ka daw.
Sure.
To show me Philippines.
Yeah.
Uy, pakita mo raw,
Your
ah.
friend.
Yes, I will
The
take
other
you
one.
Papakita na naman.
Bossing! Bossing!
Ayan na si Glenda.
Si Glenda, papakita sa atin, bossing.
Thank you, ladies. Japan,
Thank you.
Ecuador, and India.